traditional. So which one is the state? Then this brings me to Nnamdi Azikiwe's speak.
We only have for me because but I want to
Personally, I believe the European has a God in which he believes, and whom he is representing in his churches all over Africa. He believes in the God whose name is spelled D-E-C-I-T. He believes in the God whose law is yes, strong Europeans, you must weaken the weak. Ye civilized Europeans, you must civilize the barbarous Africans with machine guns. Ye Christian Europeans, you must Christianize the pagan African with bombs, poison gases, etc. In the colonies, the Europeans believe in the God that commands. Ye administrators make sufficient bills to keep the African guys. Make importation ordinances to send the Africans to exile whenever they dare to question your authority. Make an ordinance to grab his money so that he cannot stand economically. Make levy bills to force him to pay taxes for the importation of unemployed Europeans to serve as stool treasurers. Send detectives to stay around the houses of any African who is nationally conscious and who is agitating for national independence. And if possible, round him up in criminal frame-up so that he could be kept behind bars. That's right.
Good morning to my people in Germany, and bonjour to my people in France, and good morning to my people in Ghana. Michobia CSF Avram Ase Otie Adichere Avram Dima Bia Ghana for Nina Meka we free say Nansaya my video bi eye Avram ni Jana speech na omuma speech no ema ye nyina ya alert ya support PPC but me dwe bibi hu kakra na me se me infantuja in a nutshell Jana Koka Bibi say major parties no MPP ni NDC no Emma Musuro say omo aba say ombema omo way omo menu in other words no di omo pese omo ye ma omo no ana omo ye na Ghana ntumpo no omo de bekwa akoma say nipa no beji a MPP G on be support MPP. NDC G on be support NDC. The idea say Yetiko and Avram ne CSF. We are making a movement. Movement na ye no. Emma obi nye na dwi say Avram kwa na ete no. Program bi odi be ban. Yenji tum. Yenyes ni say. Avram Kabibi said, if anybody have a proof to disprove what I'm saying, go ahead. Now I'm comfortable brain no munti asye. Say ye kuntokwa, say ye mine obenya na hundie. Say ye beko ye ni. Say mputo beba abraboni mu. Ebe de aba. What you say? And me Avram the speech kasa oka any Jana de na oka no and I mean they say message to Avram and CSF message no the last message I make it to atono and na the major topic up me hu say ebe fasa kwan no ebe because the politicians that we are talking about here who are not doing the right thing and we think CSF can change the situation are our own brothers, our own fathers, our own sisters, and our own families who are in charge of that political party. The NPP, the NDC, Janasi, omuye busioni bako. Until how come say Mudi Mumenu ebekwa commerce NPP said disumai na yemfa ya vote ma. So Adiano, it means that you are going to go in agreement before even the vote will come out. So what is the probability that you will give a contract to any of these two parties and they will not fail? What you said? What is the probability? What is the chances that you will give? Well, you will give your mandate or your menu or your propaganda paper or whatever it is you call it, and you think that MPP or NDC will not take it, will obey it. Wow. And you know, me a comment no, the togbe ana osofo ko feature okaye no. Me hu say no na betumi aboa. Because at the end of the day, Akufo-Addo, he swear, Jerry John Rawlings, he swear in the Bible and Quran. Atamos oba a Bible and Quran. Mahama oba a Bible and Quran. Akufo-Addo Sisia make us say onusu was swear in Bible and Quran. Yet to look at the level of corruption. Yet look at the level of corruption in the current administration. Na whole senior minister objective on be punishing no omo jai no say on call for free. Mean that out. If you listen very carefully to what the senior minister said, it means we are being sold out. That is a fact. Nothing can I just can't get it. And the emphasis said, from my point of view, the emphasis said the third religion which they deny service for. What you said, the third religion, which is our traditional religion, you deny service for. The government is afraid of it, to swear in it, because it will kill the family and his family, the family of the whole party. And for that matter, no, omo person on best swear. Antoine Yama oho, ye call aibe ho for so aye ho no kupo ho. Adenti na yentumi fasa busum no beto ho. It will give us a just simple answer to all this suffering. Enti na me fa togbe ni kasa edi tuato ameka say if we will go back to this our tradition, this corruption, people will run away from the office. People will run away from the government office. People who go to government office because they want to steal will run away. It is just simple and short. Antionia Kasa America ana mchichiremu amewo se medema Avram any CSF meka ho CSF meka ho enu chire we dey say meka ho ma subscribe me tie me sua ade contribution kaka ewom no me so me contribute ni nyina hu na me ikunya say beya the agenda Avram is having is clear, but what is the probability that Avram will not make the same mistake? Let our politician, what I think we should push right now into the political arena. And who knows said, Yempa yes, ye fear busum and kosheho. Because me sure say we are CSF nino. What GAG said, no Antoanyama Juma. Sana means to me a Ibeni ami GD said, no go ponu 24/7, it will give us justice. Compared to the goat taking this in judges on. What I said, compared to money conscious political individuals we have. Saudi we need two former. Ubeshe say honorable Kennedy Japan made the video my any video baby. Yeah, you be funny and teaching papa. Nanso my bomb body yako. Ah me here ewo me I went YouTube no so. Me here e wan juma. What I said, me here wan juma. And you say yes, sorry, na ye be ye de. And ye de CSF, we can vote, we will vote for CSF. But the fact is, are they going to make justice work? What I say? Now, let me tell you, in the political arena, you don't know what it takes to be a politician. Seman kanda dawa, Abraham Sisia baby or one minimum level of education. But when you go into political arena, man go political school. But history kakra meaning any baby amako ye juma ma ye juma. What I say? Ye bu baby say. Uko nsuo ma na uko pum. Abo bia o ho no mu no. ɛyɛ apatre ne nua no no what I say apatre ne nua no no aboa bia akɔtɔ ne nua ne apatre what I say enti me no me yɛ onua ɛwɔ hɔ no mo fa wo Abraham ana CSF mmetumi akɔ Professor Jampo hɔ na mo nkɔ akɔbisa sɛ den na ɛkɔ so yɛ pɛsɛ yɛn yɛse no nka bibi nkyerɛ wo yɛ wɔ bibi a yɛ friend sɛ hitman and what is the probability that Jana your friend say A+ any Abraham on solve our problem where I think we can lure in. Let us get these vibrant people and let our politicians swear in our tradition. It is just simple and short. Let us see how many of them will come to political arena with the mindset of coming to make money. What you say? That is what we want to get rid of. We want to get rid of people who come into political arena to make money. 70%, if I want to look at it clear right now, somebody like our current president, okay, he's never faced hardship in his life. He's never faced what we call poverty. It's about 1,000 miles away from him. So how can he understand the poor man's speech? How can somebody like Abraham you understand? Somebody like Jana, because they are now coming up. And you know, here for no, who chiri ye no, na ebe to me who say no, nkrofo you know, some kwa we bebam anti yemfa prophecy no, emfa kwa we also. What I say, yemfa prophecy we no, emfa we kwa we also. Me can we because me believe 100%. Say, if we put our tradition down for our politicians to swear, we will only have people who serve Ghana and not people who corrupt the nation. The white man will not come into our country without swearing in our tradition. We all understand, and in the court of CSF, we all understand that the religion Christianity is a fake religion. The doctrine they brought us is a slave book, only to enslave our mind. And they eventually succeeded in it. Look at the major churches in Ghana and look at the names of the owners of those churches. What I say? They are filthy rich, yet the church members are poor. Abraham, who to make us sa and me ye video we ya anya say me ye video e de ba be kire Abraham ade debe me be chekire mu de nti na me fa togbe ni nyansa ade a o kan e di tuato ameka say oh onua ebe ya ye push for this lego me say Abraham or this logo no say amete ha if MPP will understand and make us swear in our tradition, I will vote for NPP. If NDC will understand and vote for and make sure that this policy work out, I will vote for NDC because I believe in justice. It is justice that is not working. That is why this thing is happening. What I said, me hear me video way ewa bote. Baby, I me city I me wa bote. Onya, anya say my ba ha say me ba be dede. Me nkasa bebre. Abraham no onim de eye papa ena onim de eye boni onim system ebe work mai what you say enti no CSF for obi a o tie me kasa we no twe na ye twe papa na so me ka say wo beti asese de o nwa we oka no oka e de ma say ye nko ye ni wo me ka say ye mfa nko ye ni ye mfa ntina fie because e ko fotima Abraham sisia na Abraham e bia wa ba be politician. Now you don't have the idea of who is called economic hitman. What I say, because that is what I'm calling about. Say your politicians, no, they pass through the same system we pass through. In the educational system, we were all taught how to read and not to reason. Your politicians, no, all of them were taught how to read and not to reason. And if the reasoning is there, the first thing that we know that will justify our poverty, that will justify our situation, ɛno na say we should swear in our tradition, because it is partial for you to swear in Bible and Quran without swearing in our tradition. It means that you are not justified. You are not justice. What you say? Aha. And to see for meaning for army for count, BNI for count, police for count, ye yiri ni yen kola ni omu count. But Jimmy Patchen is we just need to focus on the fact say justice must work. It is justice that is not working. Share Oba Ghana Abe say yes you in the year 2030 since you Babe say Ghana. Now so politicians are able to watch Asha Hong or Asha whatever it is to come and spoil our river system, spoil our land and go scot-free, and the whole political party will voice out that see the best thing we could do is to let this girl go. How is the justice working? Yet Obi Wian Katie Bakwam or Sawam Sisia. And to CSF, that is what I want to put across. Let us fight for our politicians to swear in our tradition. For me, I stand for it 100%. Onyami Kasabibre, we na miwo. As of now I'm talking, a British officer had wanted to invade Africa, and British will not invade Africa without Ghana. British will not invade Africa without Ghana. And this British officer, I say I want to invade Ghana. Only in Kofobe na ebua babesa because akwala no man wenye onunkwa ni bottom sika no kwa koye sadie. And here politicians they are still selling us out. And in fact maybe the only way, let us try this traditional method. If it doesn't work, let us choose any other option. What I say? Aha. And na me buy no nchichire mu na me buy. Abraham mamba ha say me ba be chire wade. Mom suggestion na me never. Me da say wait me. Aha, wo we CSF me bia. Kosu so me CSF me but I no try say there way president adai oka no minjintum debi majatum anything that makes sense, anything that will give us improvement, let us take good hold of it. What I say? I follow the two of them 100%. I follow people Canadian Japan 24/7 Minjinechi. What I say? Because they are the major reason me compromise me vote ama NPP. My vote ama NPP for because me per se project no more there pano ebe boy. From my point of view, but unfortunately, how many of them has happened? How many of them has happened? Well, and to me, Kasabibre, way a short message be made about it. Money you my palm way. Yami Yankrupo. Unshrobia. Yeah.